Introduction. Hello and welcome to this training on email marketing. So you've set up a list, added a few emails into your autoresponder, sent people to a squeeze page, given them a gift in exchange for their email, then you sit there and wonder why people don't open up your emails. Here's a question for you: why should anybody ever read your emails? Why should they read your email, instead of everybody else's email? Let's take a look at this scenario. If you're like me, you probably get 100 emails per day from people whose lists you're on. That doesn't even include the 200 emails from spammers. So of those 100 emails per day, how many do you think I open? Maybe 5, maybe 6. So that's about a 5 to 6% open rate from my own personal account. Now why do I open only a handful of emails each day? The truth is I only open emails from a certain number of people, and I literally open their emails every single time they send me one. These people, there are probably about 5 to 10 of them, are marketers that I respect highly, and whom I think I can learn something from. Did you get that? I respect them. They know a lot more than I do in certain areas. They make more money than I do. I trust them. I like them. I can learn from them. I imagine you do the same thing with a certain number of marketers who send you emails, and I'm guessing pretty much everybody else does the same thing as well. So what does this mean for you and your business? If you're actively building your list and you want to get your emails opened more often, you have to become one of these marketers that people respect, and actually want to hear from. That means you have to provide your subscribers with more information than the next guy, you have to provide them with better information, you have to be more trustworthy, more respected, more well-liked. Basically you have to become one of your subscribers' must-open marketers. You have to become one of those people who provide subscribers with so much value that they actually look forward to your emails, and will not just open your emails, but will actively read it and click through on the links you include. So how do you get there? How do you become a must-open marketer? You over-deliver. You give out only the best information and advice, make it more interesting, more valuable, and more useful than anything the next guy is going to write. And this is exactly what we're going to cover in this training program. So let's get right into it.